Hi guys, today we are going to be solving another problem called best time to buy and sell stocks. In this, what you are given is an array of prices, and what you have to do is buy on one day and then sell on the other day, such that you have the maximum profit. And what you have to do is return this profit. If we cannot achieve any profit we would be simply returning zero. So let me just take an example. So let's just assume we are given this array of prices. So we have to return the maximum profit that we could get. The brute force approach for this would be finding all the pairs that we could have. That is, using 7, we could buy on 7 and sell on 1, or sell on 5, sell here, sell here, or sell here. What we would be doing is having an answer value, and every time we check, we would be taking the max of answer, comma current minus next, or next minus current. Okay. After we find all for this and update the values, what we will be doing is going forward. We'll be checking this with this, this with this, this with this, and this with this. After we complete this, we would be moving forward again. Now here, okay, and then again we will be checking this with this, this with this, this with this. Then after this is done, we will be moving forward from here to here, and then here to here. After this, we will be again moving forward from here to here. Okay, this is how we will be doing the brute force approach, because we are finding all the pairs. Okay, where we could buy and sell. This time complexity is O of n square, because we have two nested for loops, right? I equals 0 to n minus 1, for j equals I plus 1 to n. So we have a nested for loops. So that is why time complexity for this is O of n square in our space. Because we are using only variable answer, the space complexity is O of 1. Okay. Now let's just go to the other solution, that is the optimal solution. So what we could do or use in this is two pointer technique, because in the previous thing you could see that there was a lot of computation that we did which wasn't necessary. So in this, what we will be doing is having one pointer here and the other pointer here at start. First we would be checking this. What would we be checking? Now we have to buy when low and sell at high to make profit. So in this array, the left pointer value must be less than the right pointer value. Only then would we be able to get a maximum profit. So that is what we are going to be checking here. That is, if array of left is less than equals to array of right, or you could do is, if this is greater, that is, if the left pointer is greater than the right pointer, what we will be doing is moving the left pointer forward. And then when both the left and the right pointers are at the same position, you could just move the right pointer forward. In this case, when this condition is false, what you'll be doing, you will be having a variable called answer, and you would be updating this value as what, max of answer, comma array of right minus array of left. Okay, so this answer variable you will be first initializing as 0. Now, so this is the approach. Okay, so at this point the answer would be what, 4, and then you move the right pointer again. Here the answer is 2, but 2 is less than 4, so our answer won't be updating. Or the maximum of 2 and 4 is 4, that is what would be there in the answer. Next we move forward. 1 minus 6, that's 5, which is greater than 4, so we will be updating our answer to 5. Again we will be moving forward. 1 and 3, 1 and 4, this gives 3, which is less than 5, so we won't be updating our answer. This is how we would be getting the answer for this problem. So let's just see this in code as to how we could do that. So as I said, let's just get into the code. We would be doing the optimal code. So what we will be having is a variable code answer that is initialized to 0. We would also be having a left pointer that is at 0 and a right pointer that is at 1. Okay, and then while our right is less than prices dot size. Okay, what would be doing first, the condition, if left equals right, we would be incrementing the right. and then just simply continue. If they both left is not equals to right, that is left is one thing, one step forward, then the right is one step forward from the left, we will be continuing further. We will be checking the other condition. If array of left is greater equals array of right, not array, this has to be prices. What will we be doing is incrementing the right. Else, that is, the we are buying at a low cost and then selling it at high cost. The previous one here, it is where we buy at a high cost and sell at a low cost, or equal to zero, or both are equal, where we get a profit of zero. Else, what we do is update our answer. Now, answer comma prices of right minus prices of left, and we would be moving our left point, right pointer plus plus. Okay, thus we would be moving our left pointer. We would be moving the right pointer itself. Here we would be moving the left pointer, not the right pointer. Okay, and then finally we would be returning our answer. So this is on the code. Let's just run this. Let's submit this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the optimal solution. The time complexity is O of n for this, and the space is O of 1. Okay, thank you for watching.